In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate from Squarespace to WordPress in just a few minutes. Whether you're a small business owner looking to have more flexibility or a blogger seeking additional features, moving from one platform to another can seem like a daunting task. However, with the right steps and a bit of guidance, the process can be much smoother than expected. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account. Head over to the Squarespace website and click on the Login button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page. Once you're on the login page, you should see the option to continue with Google. Selecting continue with Google is a convenient option if that's how you usually log in. Simply click on it to proceed. After logging in, you'll see a list of your websites associated with your Squarespace account. Click on the website that you wish to migrate to WordPress. This will take you to your site's dashboard where you'll be able to make the necessary changes to prepare for the migration. Next, we need to head over to your site's settings. Look towards the left side panel for a tab or a button labeled Settings. Clicking this will bring up several options related to your site configuration. Here, select Website from the list of options. This section encompasses everything related to the basic settings of your Squarespace site, where you can make adjustments as needed. Once you are in the website settings, look for an option that says Import and Export Content. This is an essential step, as it's where you'll begin the actual process of moving your site content. Click on the import option you see there. Then you'll need to choose WordPress as the destination for this migration. A few steps remain and it's important to follow closely to ensure a seamless transition. When prompted, you will need to enter your WordPress URL. This is important because it tells Squarespace where exactly you want to send your site data. After you've typed in the correct URL, the following step would be to enter your WordPress login credentials. Carefully input your WordPress username and your password. Make sure these details are entered correctly, as any typos can cause access issues. Once everything is in place, look for the Begin Import button. Clicking this will start the process, allowing your site data to be transferred from Squarespace to WordPress. Depending on the size of your site, this process might take a few minutes, so just sit back and let it update. Congratulations, you've just migrated your site from Squarespace to WordPress. With these steps, I hope the migration process was straightforward and stress-free. Enjoy the new capabilities and flexibility that WordPress offers, and thank you for watching this tutorial.